my God!
I parked here. I parked here. This police. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of 7 toy vehicles serially arranged. All are nice and beautiful models. So friends, now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. First one is here, a DS Tronton car. Let's go. Oh friends, I parked here my first vehicle, DS Tronton car. This is pink, black, yellow and silver color combination. Next one is here, a mixer truck. I parked here this mixer truck. This is a yellow, red and black color combination. And here is another one, a drum truck. I parked here this drum truck beside this mixer truck. This is pink paste and purple color combination. Next one is here, a tourist bus. Oh friends, I parked here this tourist bus. This is yellow, black, white color combination. It's really realistic model tourist bus. And another one is here, a police car. I parked here this police car. This is white, black and silver color combination. So friends, one by one, already 5 vehicles hand drive and serially parked here. And last 2 vehicles here. Now I will drive this first one, fire helicopter. Oh friends, I parked here this helicopter. This is red, black and white color combination, realistic model. And last one is here, a fire truck. I also drive this one. I also parked here this fire truck. This is red, black and white color combination. So friends, one by one, all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. All are serially parked here. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.